How to make money from app development. Do you want to make money from app development? In this video, how to make money from app development will be treated in totality. There are a few things you should do and enrollment processes you should complete before you can deploy the application. Here are a few of them. Register with the application stores. You'll need to be a fully enrolled member to publish programs on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Look for competing apps in the app stores and discover how much they're willing to charge. Also, think about aligning your application with the most important procurement application categories. According to Vision Mobile, the greatest portion of engineer profit in 2014 came from those developing projects, business, and health apps, hardly surprising, given the budgets available to IT divisions and chiefs purchasing applications to increase efficiency and availability. The reason you should be responsive should be self-evident. Consumers studying application saves will select the programs with the highest rating. You want to offer your best to forget as close to 5 stars as possible, which means serving your customers well and resolving their problems. Incorporate a rating framework. It's not only criticism that affects your download numbers. You may be as responsive as you want, but if you don't have those star ratings, you're not going anywhere. So keep in mind that your application may be able to aid you in increasing your perceptibility and moving you via the computations of these app marketplaces. Finding a balance between annoying your customers and asking them to assess your product in a friendly manner is a difficult task. Have advertisements. Attempt to avoid having to ask your customers for money. You have a few options for enabling promotions depending on the type of application you're using. Google's mobile advertising platform, AdMob, has a feature called Intervention, which allows you to show ads from other companies to increase your hit rate, and it works on both iOS and Android. How to make money from app development. App development is one of the great ways to make money online. In this video, how to make money from app development will be treated, so let's dive into the various ways app developers can make money from the app which are produced. 1. Publicizing. When it comes to free apps that make money, advertising is perhaps the most well-known and easiest to implement. It's also done with the help of a third-party marketing firm. Furthermore, promoting is thought to be the most effective way of generating revenue from the programs. 2. Memberships. Are you curious about how a software program generates revenue? The finest and most useful application adaptation system is to use a membership mechanism. Application distributors can choose to provide free content in their apps for a limited period before charging users a membership fee that allows them to access all of the content with virtually no restrictions. To make this revenue model work together, Apple is giving it more thought and rolling out significant modifications to how application membership models function. 3. Selling product. Many web-based business companies provide free forms to sell real things, such as toys, clothes, shoes, and so on. These real products can be sold directly to the application or through email marketing. To encourage app distributors to use this strategy, Amazon has launched a service called Merchandise by Amazon, which allows distributors to create their work, move it to their foundation, and promote their things. It is a win-win situation for both the app developers and the app users. View these advantages and disadvantages now to help you decide whether or not to use this adaptation with exhibiting to acquire your free application idea. 4. Gathering and selling information. As you presumably know, applications collect a lot of information on their users, whether it's about their behavior or how they use the app. Numerous professionals in diverse sectors are interested in this enormous amount of customer behavior data. This suggests that the application with the intention of gratis distributor might provide their clients' behavior information to these experts and profit handsomely. 5. Sponsorship. Sponsorship is one of the less commonly used adaptation strategies, but it is nonetheless a fascinating system. Simply put, sponsorship in your mobile applications may be a powerful application adaptation method, if the app distributor puts up the correct specialty software for a specific audience and sends it to another firm.